Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review on my new OBD2 Diagnostics car scanner. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Awesome. It's probably nice to have these around. I'm not super car savvy, but definitely nice to have. User manual. Nice little carrying case. Ooh, very nice. 2.8 inch display. It is a color display. I guess I'll connect this to the vehicle here in a little bit so you can check it out. The other thing that I like is it does come in multiple languages, so English or Spanish or anything like that, it will have those on there as well. It also works with a variety of vehicles. Like in the US, it'll be cars after 1996, in Europe 2002, and then in Japan, it'll be cars after 2005. So it makes it compatible with most vehicles. Then we got a couple of the basics done. Just a couple things. Very nice size. It seems very solid. So let's go ahead and hook it up to the car and see how it looks. All right, so here we are on the car. I've got the OBD2 scanner ready and I'm going to plug it in. And as you can see, it is super simple, just plug and play. Once it's plugged in, it'll power up automatically. And as you can see, some high definition color display coming to life. The screen is bright, clear, making it easy to read all the information. Now, the one thing you want to do is check for any engine faults. The scanner is equipped for advanced diagnostic capabilities, which means it's going to read the engine codes and give it precise information if there are any issues. So it's, as you can see, I just ran the diagnostic scan. There was a few codes detected, which I'll have to check out. Next up, let's explore some of the other features that it has. The scanner isn't just about finding faults, it's also about helping you optimize your car's performance. You can perform car performance testing, which includes checking your acceleration, which I will do here in a little bit, braking performance, and even measuring distances. For anyone interested in maximizing your vehicle's capabilities, these tests can be incredibly useful. Another great feature, it has that real-time data stream. This lets you monitor live data from your car's sensors like engine temperatures, fuel trim, and more. It will let you view this data as a graph, which makes it easier to spot any unusual trends or issues as they happen. Then there's a freeze frame feature, which I'll look at the end. This takes a snapshot of your car's conditions the moment a fault is detected. It's like having a record of what's going on under the hood when something went wrong, which can be super helpful for troubleshooting. Then it also has the oxygen sensor testing and the EVAP system testing. These are essential for checking your car's emission systems, whether you're prepping for an emission test or just want to ensure everything's running cleanly. These tests got you covered. And then finally, it also has a vehicle information query, which I showed earlier, and a voltage diagnosis. You can look up your car's VIN, calibration ID, and other vital stats. And the voltage test ensures your battery and charging systems are in good shape. So as you can see, this OBD2 car scanner is more than just a fault card reader. It's a comprehensive tool for maintaining and optimizing your vehicle. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want to keep your vehicle in top condition, this scanner makes it easy to stay on top of things. And the last thing that I'll say about the scanner, if you do happen to find any issues like I did and you do fix them, you can use this scanner to reset those codes. This clears a fault from your car's memory and turns that pesky check engine light off. All right, so if you guys are looking for a new OBD2 car diagnostic scanner, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.